Hey Amelia, what are you reading?
It's a pretend diary about a girl who lived a long time ago, but it's kind of hard. I got it from the library, but I just don't know if I can finish it.
Sometimes when we think about the point of view of a story, it can help us understand it better. What happened in this chapter?
Okay, the narrator is a girl my age. Her family is traveling in a big wagon across the country to find a new home out west. In this chapter, she was in charge of watching all their siblings, but then one of her little brothers gets lost. It's just about to get dark when the narrator finds him.
Ooh, that must have been scary for her.
She said, "Dear diary, today was the worst day of my life. I love my little brother so much. I would feel so terribly if anything happened to him." I guess she felt really guilty and scared.
See, considering the character's point of view helped you understand why the events mattered.
I guess so, but sometimes I just don't understand why things happen. The main character is only 12 years old. Why was she in charge of all these little kids?
It sounds like your story's about the Oregon Trail. Did you learn about that in school?
A little bit.
What do you remember?
That people thought they would have better lives out west, but the long journeys were really hard. Everything was harder back then because they didn't have dishwashers and things like that. Oh, I guess that's why she was watching the kids. Her parents were probably doing all the other chores.
Right, see? You used what you already know to understand the story.
I'm going to write in my own diary about how much easier my life is than a girl living on the Oregon Trail.